Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got an older released limited edition from Lookfantastic and it's the new season beauty edit. I honestly can't remember when this was released, but it's a good couple of months now and it's on sale. So I thought I would grab it, share it with you and see if it's worth the new sale price. It has a value of £175. It was on sale for £45. It's now on sale for £36. Sometimes my code DiaryLF can get you an extra percentage off. Sometimes it doesn't. Inside contains 7 items and 4 of them are full size. So yeah, I'll pop a link and the codes, as I mentioned, down below in my description, and down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. I'm filming downstairs, so apologies if the lighting is not great and if you can hear panting dogs behind you. It's really, really hot in my bedroom and I'm just sat there sweating, so I've decided to come down here. So as well as this box, there's quite a few other beauty boxes on the website that are reduced as well. So yeah, so let's start then with Virtue. So this is a hair product. This is Correct Strengthen Shield Leave-In Conditioner. Detangles, protects, strengthens, and there's 150 mils there. So I think this is quite a pricey brand. I've never bought anything from this brand before, but I have received different products in different beauty boxes. Spray throughout clean, damp hair, concentrating on the mid-lengths and ends. Do not rinse. Comb through hair to distribute evenly and style as usual. So it's triple protection, UV pollution and heat, and protects up to 230 degree heat for styling. So that seems quite nice actually, especially if I want to just wash my hair and leave it, you know? So yeah, alpha keratin 60 KU. So there's that. Then we have got a mascara, and this is by Makeup Forever, and it's a volumizing artist mascara in black. Can you see it's got lips on the packaging there? Right, what's the wand like? Okay, that's what it looks like. So a twirly wand. I think I have had this before, but I possibly haven't tried it yet. It does ring a bell. But yeah, what is it again? It's a Volume Artist Mascara. So that's another full-size item. So what was the other one then? Oh, we got Rodial, and this is Bronzing Glow Drops Ultimate Glow Primer. Contains niacinamide, white stargrass, and squalene. And this is 31 mils. The glow drops are beautiful. I don't think I've ever tried the bronzing ones. I don't think I have. So illuminate, bronze and glow with soft focus bronzing drops formulated with ingredients to brighten the look of the complexion while providing the perfect skin, perfecting golden glow before makeup. Can also be used alone for natural dewy, glowy skin. Oh, it looks quite shiny. How shiny is it? I'll try a little bit on my hand. Ooh. There. So it looks scary when you first apply it, but obviously it blends in. And so it's a bronzing dewy glow. Yeah, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. The bottle is more scary, as you can see. You can see it just looks like it's going to be really metallic, but it's not at all. It looks super natural. Almost like glass skin, you know? Yeah, even on my fingers there, it's just really nice. The whole glow range, like the bronzers and highlighters from Rodial, are beautiful. So no, I like that. That is really, really pretty. So yeah, and very light as well. What's it like if you were to build it up a bit? So it's to hydrate and glow and slightly bronze. I would use this for all over my face. I might actually bring it to Lithuania with me when I have my second round of skin removal surgery, because I'm not going to be wanting to wear makeup every day, but if I want a little bit of something, then maybe this would be really nice. Yeah, I really like that. It's a little bit darker now. You can tell a difference with my hand. So that is with 2 layers on, but easy to blend, isn't it? You can use it all over or as a bronzer. You just buff it into your cheeks and wherever you want to put it, isn't it? Yeah, I like that. I really, really like that. Then we've got Molten Brown, and this is Tea Ceremony Bath and Shower Gel. So there's a little one here. What is it? Is it like 10 mils? No, 10 mils. It's 30 mils. So it's a little one. So tea, what did I say? Tea Ceremony. I'm assuming it's going to smell of tea. It does smell of tea, but it also smells... Oh, I don't know what it is. It smells so nice. Always bubbles. That is so nice. It's not really, really strong tea. Oh yeah, definitely use that. It smells nice and fresh. It's got a bath and shower gel there. Then we've got Glow Milk Glass Effect Primer with rose extract, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So very similar actually to this one. So you could use that as a primer underneath foundation if you wanted to glow all over. So I'm assuming that this is a glowy one, but not a shade as such. Ooh. Rose extract, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, suitable for all skin types. The Glow Milk Glass Effect Primer. Let's try it on my other hand. Yes, white, look. Whoa, 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 whoa. I put too much on. It feels really nice though. Oh, that is quite glowy. Look at the difference. But then this one's dry down. But yeah, this one is very glowy. It is glowy. You can tell. I've just blended it in a bit more. And it's really nice. It is nice. I think it's because I put too much on initially, didn't I? Yeah, that's nice. If you want a clear, and it is literally like a glass skin effect. It is, yeah. With lots of ingredients. What else have I got? I've got Laneige, and this is Water Bank, and this is a serum. And there's 5 mils there. So it's a little one. And it's a serum to hydrate and glow. So it's a little mini. Yeah. And then, lastly, then we got a little Sol de Janeiro, and this is Rosa Chamosa Dewy Cream. So it's a body cream, but with a little bit of shimmer in it. So there's a lot of shimmery, hydrating skincare, essentially, and makeup in this box, isn't there? So it's a Schrosa 91 fragrance, crystal, peptide, and Brazilian yacon extract. And yeah, I can't see it. Yeah, there's 25 mils there. I think I really like the formula, as I always do with the Sol de Janeiros. They just feel amazing. But I think I don't like the smell of this. Or maybe it's too shimmery. It's there. Let's try it. Oh, it feels so nice. Look at this. See, it's so nice. Let's try a little bit first there. My arm definitely needs some hydration. It smells a mix of roses and sweets. Yeah, it's not for me really. I really don't like the rose smell, but as always, it feels amazing. And just like the other products as well, it's not overly shimmery or glittery or anything. It just gives a really nice sort of glow. Hopefully you can tell there. Look at the difference there. My arms look completely different colours, don't they? If they did it in other fragrances, I would love that. But it's not a horrible product. But anyway, there you go. Those are all the products. We got a hydrating and glowy water bank moisturising serum by Laneige. We've got a tea smelling shower and bath gel by Molten Brown. We've got a dewy body cream by Sol de Janeiro. We've got a Glow Milk Glass Effect Primer by The Beauty Crop. We've got Bronzing Glow Drops from Rodial. Got Makeup Forever mascara in black. And we've got a leave-in conditioning spray by Virtue for your hair. When I first saw this box, I was thinking, what do I really think of it? Shall I, shan't I? I'd already bought a few boxes at the same time. And I was like, do you know what? I'll leave it. I'll leave this one. But it's been on sale for a while alongside some of the others. So I thought some of you lot might really want to see it, especially as there's like £9 or £10 off it. The product I'm most impressed about is this. I love that. I am seriously considering bringing that with me to Lithuania just to give a bare face look, but with a bit of a glow. So I don't look, I might feel awful and in pain, but my skin would look gorgeous. I don't know. That's a standout product. I'm excited to give that a go as well. So it's worth £175 and can be yours currently for 36. I'd love to hear your thoughts though. What do you think of it? Did you go out and buy it, or are you watching this now thinking, I'm not sure? I'd love to know. So please let me know. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.